Video, we're going to be breaking down this GBPJPY trade that netted me a profit of 8% in 7 minutes. Now I'm going to break it down from A to Z, so be sure to stick around. Now if you're new to this channel, my name is Gonzalo Branco. I'm a 21-year-old Forex trader who's been trading profitably for around the last year and 7 months now, and I've been trading overall for around 2 years and 10 months, okay? So let's get straight into it and start off with our directional time frame. So my directional time frame in this instance was the 15-minute, because I'm using the 15, 5 and 1 minute strategy. So the 15 minute is just to find the direction of where we're going to be buying and selling. So let's break it down. On GBPJPY, I came onto the charts. Let me put it one back to see. I came onto the charts and seeing this pullback in this golden zone, okay? And, well, before I break that down, let's break it down from the start, okay? So we had that minor structure break, okay? And it's a minor structure break because we're still in buys until this key level gets taken out, okay? Now, if this candle closed above, yeah, this would have confirmed the new higher high, and now this would have been the new lower high, okay? So now you understand this minor level. We've now had that pullback into our double top zone, okay? And it was a one candle engulfing, okay, with a nice little rejection, confirming to me that price could potentially start the push phase, okay? Because I'm entering on the 15-minute pullbacks to predict the 1 minute push phase, okay? So that was the 15-minute time frame. The 5-minute time frame just confirmed everything I had been thinking on the 15-minute about selling, okay? And the 5-minute was actually in a sell, okay? Because we broke this low after breaking above that high, which confirms that we're now in a selling structured market, okay? And now on top of that, we also had a nice candle closure in our order block, which is perfect now. So now we can scale down because we've had the 5-minute confirming this. Okay, so on the 1 minute time frame, we were also in an order block, okay? And then we also had a minor structure break, okay? So it's a minor structure break just because it's not a key level and it's breaking the low of this candle, okay? Because if you look on the seconds time frame, this is breaking structure, okay? So I don't want to enter on the break straight away, so I'm waiting for a pullback now, okay? So let's see. Okay, I was pissed. I did think it's going to get away from me here. But we had that pullback. I stayed patient, and now we've had that pullback with a candle closure confirming to me that it has retested, okay? Now I'm entering straight away on an instant execution, and I know you see my entry a bit above because it entered me a bit late, and normally when it entered me late it will be not in my favor, but this time the 1 out of 100, it happened to give me a better entry, okay? So I've now been entered into the market. I placed my stop loss just above the current structure high, okay, which is this candle. We had that break, and now I'm placing the stop loss above this high. And now for my targets, I had set it to the 15-minute low, okay, so I wasn't going to be greedy on this one. I did understand that we're in overall a buy, so I want to get in and out, and it happened to be perfect. And you can see on my screenshot that it's identical, okay? The trading view is always identical to my MT4 in all patterns that I show you guys, okay? So we're going to see how this played out on the 15-minute, just so you can see why I targeted that level, okay? Always target the highest probability of you succeeding with the maximized return, okay? So if you've enjoyed this video and you enjoy all my other videos, be sure to let me know in the comment section below any future videos you want, okay? Any future videos, any questions, just anything, okay? Just so I understand that you guys do want to be watching these videos. I would gladly appreciate that. But anyways, thank you guys for watching until this point. If you have, I hope you enjoyed this strategy, this order blocks, because I've been showing you guys a lot of recent, you know, 1 minute patterns, but I've never showed you this order blocks, okay? Well, my last one was a bit the closest you had to it anyway, but enough of me rambling on. Thank you guys for watching this video, and until next time.